Hi, friends and family. Hi, Ophelia. Hi, Royce. How's everybody doing? I thought I would read a couple books. This one is How We Say I Love You. And it's by Nicole Chen and Lenny Wynn. And it's a Dolly Parton Imaginarium book. And so this book, How We Say I Love You. So I noticed this book has a glossary of some Chinese terms in here, Mandarin Chinese to English and Taiwanese to English. So that'll be interesting. Says, my family loves me and I love them, but we do not use words to say I love you. They don't use words. What do they use? Picture, mom's cooking. It says, instead, my mom stirs her love into a pot of steaming xifan. A chorus of Hana welcomes me to the table, and we start the day together, our bellies and hearts full. So her mom makes her breakfast, and that's a sign of love. Who's this? Gong, which means grandpa, shows me the love he feels when he walks me to school. As I hop over cracks, his steps shuffle next to mine, and we dance to the rhythm of our feet. This looks like the classroom. How do I show my family my love? I do my best at school so they can feel proud. When the teacher asks a question, I raise my hand. And at recess, I run as fast as I can, and I catch my breath. I imagine how bright their eyes will shine when I tell them how hard I tried. My tummy rumbles, and I find Alma, which is Chinese for grandma, gang mine, steaming inside my lunch. She sprinkles her love into the noodles she makes for me, and sometimes I find a sweet surprise, too. At the game, my dad's love echoes in his cheers. Jai, yo, Hana, go, go, go. My legs pump faster and faster. Just playing soccer. Ooh, look at this. It's a dragon. As I sniff by the sidelines, my dad holds my hand and whispers in my ear. With his every word, my bravery grows, and I dash back onto the field to try again. So the courage of a dragon. The moment I get home, I run to find the rest of my family. Stories from our days spill from our lips, and we settle into the sweetness of being together again. There's mom and dad and grandma and grandpa. Pretty chrysanthemums. Then as the smells of dinner fill our home, I rest my head on the belly that holds someone precious and new, and I tell it about things like ice creams and swings and rain, and the love that's waiting when it joins us. Oh, so our mom's gonna have a baby. Dad calls us together to the table. Xifan Lai. We show Ama and Agong our love when we let them fill their bowls first. They pick the best pieces that will keep them strong, yet those pieces often end up in my bowl. Finally, at night takes over day, we say, I love you with the last things we do. I rub the knots out of Alma's feet and pour Agong the tea that helps him sleep. When my dad and I read side by side, my mom tucks my sheets in tights. With their goodnight kisses still soft against my cheek, I whisper a last winanan. In our family, our love lives in all the things we do for one another. That is how we say, I love you. For my mom and dad, thank you for all the love you've shown me over the years, and for my parents and siblings who express their love through actions rather than words. So, that's another book on how we say I love you by Nicole Chen and Lenny Wynn. Sweet dreams, everybody. Good night. Love you. Thanks for watching Grandma Alicia's Storytime. Remember to subscribe, and if you feel like it, you can comment your favorite book below or tell us what you thought about the book we just read. Thank you.